In a quiet valley painted with golden sunlight lived a boy named Riku, known by everyone as the kid who always failed. But one evening, something happened that changed his life forever. Riku stood on the old wooden bridge, staring at the moonlit water below. His hands trembled as he whispered, "Why do I keep failing, even when I try so hard?" Suddenly, a warm glow lit up the bridge. An elderly craftsman, Master Hoshi, famous for creating magical instruments, approached with a gentle smile. "Riku," he said softly, "do you know how many times I broke my tools before learning to create beauty?" Riku shook his head. Master Hoshi tapped his wooden cane on the bridge. Tiny sparkles floated in the air. "When you practice," he said, "the world may not see your progress, but your effort is shaping you little by little. Failure is just wood shavings, messy, uncomfortable, but necessary to carve something strong." Inspired, Riku returned home and began practicing again, at dawn, at dusk, in rain, in wind. He practiced running until his legs burned, practiced crafting until his fingers blistered, practiced reading, writing, and carving until the candle died out every night. Days became weeks. Weeks became months. And slowly, very slowly, something magical happened. The boy who once stumbled started standing tall. The hands that once trembled became steady. And the heart that once doubted began to believe. One day, the village announced a great craftsmanship contest. Riku's heart pounded in fear. But he remembered Master Hoshi's words. He entered anyway. When the judges revealed the winning sculpture, a beautifully carved phoenix rising from ashes, everyone gasped. It belonged to Riku. Tears filled his eyes as Master Hoshi approached him. "I told you," the old man whispered. "Practice does not make perfect. Practice makes you unstoppable." And from that day, the valley remembered not the boy who failed, but the boy who never stopped trying.